Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. We have reached to Article 89, Officers of Parliament, Chairman and Deputy Chairman of the Council of States. Clause 1. The Vice President of India shall be ex officio Chairman of the Council of States, that is the Rajya Sabha. The Council of States shall, as soon as may be, choose a member of the Council to be a Deputy Chairman thereof, and so often as the office of Deputy Chairman becomes vacant, the Council shall choose another member to be Deputy Chairman thereof. So the presiding officer of the Rajya Sabha is known as the chairman. The vice president of India is the ex officio chairman of the Rajya Sabha. The deputy chairman is elected by the Rajya Sabha itself from its members. The deputy chairman performs the duties of the chairman's office when it is vacant. The term ex officio means a position someone automatically gains by virtue of holding some post. Article 90, vacation and resignation of and removal from the office of deputy chairman. A member holding office as Deputy Chairman of the Council of States A shall vacate his office if he ceases to be a member of the Council. B may at any time, by writing under his hand, addressed to the Chairman, resign his office. And C may be removed from his office by resolution of the Council passed by a majority of all the then members of the Council. So the Deputy Chairman vacates his office by any of the following three ways. Firstly, if he ceases to be a member of the Rajya Sabha. Second, if he resigns by writing to the chairman. And third, if he is removed by a resolution passed by a majority of all the then members of the Rajya Sabha. Such a resolution can be moved only after giving 14 days advance notice. Okay, so provided that no resolution for the purpose of the clause C shall be moved unless at least 14 days notice has been given of the intention to move the resolution. Article 91, power of the deputy chairman or other person to perform the duties of the office of or act as chairman. Clause 1. While the office of the chairman is vacant or during any period when the vice president is acting as or discharging the functions of president, the duties of the office shall be performed by the deputy chairman, or if the office of deputy chairman is also vacant, by such member of the Council of States as the president may appoint for the purpose. Clause 2. During the absence of the chairman from any sitting of the Council of States, the deputy chairman, or if he is also absent, such person as may be determined by the rules of procedure of the Council, or if no such person is present, such other person as may be determined by the Council shall act as chairman. Article 92. The chairman or deputy chairman not to preside while a resolution for his removal from office is under consideration. Clause 1. At any sitting of the Council of States, while any resolution for the removal of the Vice President from his office is under consideration, the Chairman, or while any resolution for the removal of Deputy Chairman from his office is under consideration, the Deputy Chairman shall not, though he is present, preside, and the provisions of Clause 2 of Article 91 shall apply in relation to every such sitting as they apply in relation to a sitting from which the Chairman, or as the case may be, the Deputy Chairman is absent. Clause 2. The chairman shall have the right to speak in and otherwise to take part in the proceedings of the Council of States while any resolution for the removal of the vice president from his office is under consideration in the council, but notwithstanding anything in Article 100, shall not be entitled to vote at all on such resolution or on any other matter during such proceeding. So Article 92 provides that when a resolution for the removal of vice president is under consideration, the chairman may be present and speak in the house and can take part in its proceeding without casting vote, but he shall not preside over the sitting of the house. If the resolution for the removal of deputy chairman is under consideration, he shall not preside over a sitting of the house, though he may be present. That's but logical. Article 93. The Speaker and Deputy Speaker of the House of the People. The House of the People shall, as soon as may be, choose two members of the House to be respectively Speaker and Deputy Speaker thereof, and so often as the House of Office of Speaker or Deputy Speaker becomes vacant, the House shall choose another member to be Speaker or Deputy Speaker as the case may be. Article 94. A member holding office as Speaker or Deputy Speaker of the House of the People, A, shall vacate his office if he ceases to be a member of the House of the People. B, may at any time, by writing under his hand, addressed if such member is the Speaker to the Deputy Speaker, and if such member is the Deputy Speaker to the Speaker, resign his office. C, may be removed from his office by resolution of the House of the People passed by a majority of all the then members of the House, provided that no resolution for the purpose of Clause 3 shall be moved unless at least 14 days notice has been given of the intention to move the resolution. Provided further that whenever the House of the People is dissolved, the Speaker shall not vacate his office until immediately before the first meeting of the House of the People after the dissolution. So Article 94, the Speaker and Deputy Speaker remains in office usually during the life of the Lok Sabha. However, they may vacate their offices earlier in any of the following three ways. Firstly, if ceases to be a member of the Lok Sabha. Second, may resign by writing to the Deputy Speaker if he is Speaker and if such member is the Deputy Speaker to the Speaker. Third, he can be removed by a resolution passed by a majority of all the members of the Lok Sabha. Such a resolution shall be moved only after giving 14 days advance notice. Article 95, power of the Deputy Speaker or other persons to perform the duties of the office of or to act as Speaker. Clause 1. While the office of a Speaker is vacant, the duties of the office shall be performed by the Deputy Speaker or in the office of Deputy Speaker is also vacant by such member of the House of the People as the President may appoint for the purpose. Second, during the absence of the Speaker from any sitting of the House of the People, the Deputy Speaker, or if he is also absent, such person as may be determined by the rules of procedure of the House, or if no such person is present, such other person as may be determined by the House shall act as Speaker. Very clear. Article 96. The Speaker or the Deputy Speaker not to preside while a resolution for his removal from office is under consideration. Article 96, Clause 1. At any sitting of the House of the People, while any resolution for the removal of the Speaker from his office is under consideration, the Speaker, or while any resolution for the removal of the Deputy Speaker from his office is under consideration, the Deputy Speaker shall not, though he is present, preside, and the provisions of Clause 2 of Article 95 shall apply in relation to every such sitting as they apply in relation to a sitting from which the Speaker, or as the case may be, the Deputy Speaker is absent. Clause 2. The Speaker shall have the right to speak in and otherwise to take part in the proceedings of the House of the People while any resolution for his removal from office is under consideration in the House and shall, notwithstanding anything in Article 100, be entitled to vote only in the first instance on such resolution or on any matter or on any other matter during such proceedings, but not in the case of an equality of votes. So Article 96 provides that when the resolution for the removal of the Speaker is under consideration, he cannot preside at the sitting of the House. Very logical. Though he may be present, however, he can speak and take part in the proceedings of the House at such a time, and vote at the first instance, though not in the case of an equality of votes during the tie of the votes. If the resolution for the removal of the Deputy Speaker is under consideration, he cannot preside at the sitting of the House, though he may be present. Article 97. Salaries and allowances of the chairman and deputy chairman and the speaker and deputy speaker paid to the shall be paid to the chairman and the deputy chairman of the Council of States and to the speaker and deputy speaker of the House of the People such salaries and allowances as may be respectively fixed by Parliament by law and until provision in that behalf is so made, such salaries and allowances are specified in the second schedule. Article 98. Secretariat of Parliament. Clause 1. Each House of Parliament shall have a separate secretarial staff, provided that nothing in this clause shall be construed as preventing the creation of posts common to both Houses of Parliament. Clause 2. Parliament may by law regulate the recruitment and the conditions of service of persons appointed to the secretarial staff of either House of Parliament. Clause 3. Until provision is made by Parliament under clause 2, the president may, by after consultation with the Speaker of the House of the People or the Chairman of the Council of States, as the case may be, make rules regulating the recruitment and the conditions of service of persons appointed to the secretarial staff of the House of the People or the Council of States, and any rules so made shall have effect subject to the provisions of any law made under the said clause. So this was all about the salaries and the secretarial staff.